on a little plastic. Holy fuck. Oh, it's a big flatty. It's a big flatty. Nice one. Woo! That's fishing. Gentlemen,
Here's a baby one.
what's going on?
People, man. What are you doing, buddy?
What's going on out there, gentlemen? Off on another adventure with my mate Mark. Yeah, here's the rig. Taking a little boat with us this time. We're heading up to Baffle Creek again. So excited. Just leaving the Goldie. Be nice an hour from now without any traffic. Fancy seeing you here.
Stranger.
Where are you going?
Stranger danger. Nothing from
You wouldn't be going up to Baffle Creek, would you? Eh? You haven't done this before, have you?
Are you putting this on the wide world of the web already?
Absolutely. So we've done this before. Just heading up past the sunny coast now. Gotta love a road trip. I'm still so excited. Brown-eyed girl, I got the sound of my own voice driving me crazy. I'm just making these words up. Have you got diesel?
What?
Have you got diesel?
Yeah, mate, I'm really running up your beat.
Are you gonna pay for it? You're gonna shoot through. Wow. That's a good call. Just a little bit of sugar cane.
Take the next right onto Farnsfield Road.
Thought we'd take a shortcut. We found a fair bit of sugar cane through the back of Bundaberg. Check this out.
Continue on Farnsfield Road for 4 kilometres.
Wow. Just love this bridge. It's kind of cool. I reckon. We stopped here last time on the right. For a look-see, we won't be this time. Caravan and car. Yeah, you get to see a bit of Baffle Creek. We are.
Take the next right. In 200 metres.
Go quicker. So you're getting the hang of this videoing caper, eh? I'm just finishing up some work. Good morning. Good morning. Here's a little family. Hello, little family. How's the little family? Huh? Baffle Creek. How could you complain doing this? How you going there, mister? You're getting tangled. Did you lose a lure? Pretty nice, isn't it?
I'll give you the finger, mate.
Go on.
Hey?
Go on. How's it go? I just got a hit then.
Did you?
Yeah. I've dragged every colour. I got pink in the water now. Yeah. So I'm going to go back to the corner and head back for some bacon and eggs. You coming?
Right around that way.
Yeah, just back that way and then back round. Work this area enough.
Why do I keep getting tangles in my braid?
Maybe change the braid. Skippy!
Yeehaw! Woohoo!
Ooh, that's a nice fish, my friend. Hey, we've both got a good one now. We've had a good day. Well, that's what we're here for. What'd you catch him on?
The white plastic.
Oh yeah, cool.
Maybe doesn't jump out of the boat.
Yep. Yes. Mark in the sunset. It's just spectacular. It's so relaxing. My Saints are playing footy. I'm watching the scores. I was watching it on my iPad, but they're getting beaten, so I thought I might come out here, relax. Pretty awesome. Dragon kayak.
Off they go! We've never seen this in AFL footy before! Marshall says thank you very much. Oh, he's got it this
Not bad, is it? Is that a nice feeling catching that flathead?
It's too early in the morning to be filming, mate.
Now tell me about the flathead.
It's massive. It's the biggest one you've ever seen.
So it came and looked at the net and then ran again.
You taught me well. I caught it.
Got it on the second go. How are you this morning?
I'll be right once I get going.
Yeah.
Take me a while to get moving.
Cool.
I think I had more sleep than I did the night before. Another one. You got a whole family of them.
Oh, you like the camera? Hey? What are you saying? Oh, look where he is.
Don't eat that.
Mark just cooked toast. Not flat this morning?
What's that?
Time for a new seat. So our first Baffle Creek boating adventure. Mouth of Baffle Creek, there's the ocean. As you
That must be a grunter. Look up a grunter, mate.
What is it, mate?
It's a grunter, like you.
Hey?
It's a grunter, mate.
All packed up. Ready for the trip back. What a fantastic 5 days at Baffle Creek. My mate Mark, it was awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Just heading home now.
Ugly pictures of me, mate.
So tell me.
That's how I wake up.
So I've got to say, that was a fantastic 5 days at Baffle Creek, Mark.
You're
Hey,
easily,
Regan, was it good?
You're easily pleased, mate.
That was awesome. So how was your drive down?
Very good.
Very good, mine too. Let's have something to eat. You got one?
Come on. Not funny.
Oh, we had to finish the holiday with a bit of laughter. Like